Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 23rd tutorial in this course. In this tutorial we're going to check out margin properties in CSS. So as you can see, I have a file opened up in my text editor Notepad++. It's called margin.html, and in this file I have the lyrics of the song Sweet Child Mine by Guns N' Roses, and I have separated uh, the verses using the break tag, and all the text is actually within one paragraph, and at the end of the paragraph I also have a horizontal rule. So in the style section I have applied four margin properties to the paragraph element, and at the moment I haven't specified any values for any of these properties, so you won't see any effect because of these properties. But in the browser the file looks like this, right? And I've got Sweet Child of Mine as the heading, and then I've got the lyrics of the song, and you can see the horizontal rule at the bottom here. So now let's say you want to have a margin around the text, for the paragraph. So I'm going to put values for each of these properties one at a time. So for margin top I'll put 40 pixels, right? Save the file, go back to my browser, and I'll refresh the page, and we can see that the text has shifted a bit. So the separation between the heading, which is the first element in the body, and the paragraph has increased. We have a margin here of 40 pixels. Similarly, if you want to have a bottom margin, over the horizontal rule, let's say 50 pixels, you could put 50 pixels here, and I'll go back to the browser, and at the moment you can see that there is very little separation between where the text in the paragraph is ending and the horizontal rule. But when I refresh the page, you can see that that separation is increased. It's now more it's increased by 40 pixels basically. Go back to the file, and for margin left and margin right, actually I'll put values at once. So let me put 60 pixels for margin left, and for margin right basically you might not be able to see any difference. So margin left results into an increased separation on the left side of the text, but for margin right, if I would put a value of 100 pixels, let's see what this results into, because I do not have you know anything on the right of the paragraph, so you won't be able to make out what this has led to, but it works pretty much the same way as margin left, right? So that's it about margins, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.